Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to stop the CapCut PC from lagging while you are editing your projects. So here, if you found the CapCut PC is lagging or work slowly when you are editing, what you need to do is just turn on the proxy. So if you see on the details here, there is a proxy option and you can see that it is currently turned off. So what you need to do is just click on the modify button and here click on the performance tab and you'll see there is proxy option. So by turning on the proxy you will speed up your editing, but it won't be affect your video quality. So I suggest you turn this on and then click on save. But if you still found that the CapCut PC is still lagging, you need to clear the cache of the CapCut PC. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like and smash the subscribe button on there. And also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks. Bye.